conversing with people in English opens up a whole new world of opportunities. Thanks to English, you are able to talk with people who do not speak your native language. Talking in English will also be adventurous because when you speak, you feel little nervous or excited. But if you push your English speaking comfort zone and open up your mouth, you will feel so accomplished and motivated to keep learning. Hello, this is Rita Walia, your English trainer. Today I'm back with 8 phrases used for different situations. Before starting this session, there is a request to all of you to subscribe this channel if you have not subscribed it yet. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the notifications of all upcoming videos. Now, let's get started. Today, phrase number 1 is thanks so much. This is a simple sentence and this phrase can be used to thank someone. To add more details, you can use for. After for, you will use either noun or V1 plus ing. Let's see the example. Thanks so much for the birthday gift. For the birthday gift. The birthday gift is noun. Thanks so much for driving me home. Thanks so much for inviting us to the party. Phrase number 2, I really appreciate. You can also use this phrase to thank someone. You might say, I appreciate your help. You can now here use phrase number 1, thanks so much, and phrase number 2, I really appreciate, in one sentence or for conveying your idea. Thanks so much for cooking dinner today. I really appreciate it. Thanks so much. I really appreciate you cooking dinner. Phrase number 3, excuse me. Phrase number 3, excuse me. When you need to get through and there is someone blocking your way, you say, excuse me, or you can also use to polite get someone's attention. You can say, excuse me, you dropped your wallet. Excuse me, you dropped your wallet. Or excuse me, do you know what the time it is? Phrase number 4, I'm sorry. Use this phrase to apologize, whether for something big or small. Use for after this phrase for the clarity of more detail. I'm sorry for being late. Use really with this phrase to feel that you are very sorry for something. I'm really very sorry. I did not invite you to the party. Clear? Now, phrase number 5. What do you think? What do you think? When you want to hear someone's opinion on a topic, you say like, I'm not sure if we should paint this room green or blue. What do you think? Now, phrase number 6. How does that sound? How does that sound? If you suggest an idea or plan, use this phrase to find out what others think. You say, we could have dinner at 6 and go to a movie. How does that sound? How does that sound? Phrase number 7. That sounds great. That sounds great. When you like an idea or suggestions, you can respond with this phrase. You can replace great with other adjectives, with other words like fabulous, excellent, fantastic, awesome. Now, let's see, there's a conversation of two friends. There's a conversation between two friends. My mother is baking cookies today. My mother is baking cookies today. I think we could go home to eat some. How does that sound? Another friend. That sounds excellent. That sounds great. Clear? Now, phrase number 8. Oh, never mind. Or never mind. Let's say someone doesn't understand the idea you are trying to explain it. If you have explained it over and over and you want to stop, just say, oh, never mind. You can now talk about something else. You can also use the same phrase, never mind, to mean it doesn't matter, just forget it. It doesn't matter, just forget it. In these situations, say this phrase with a smile and with a positive tone. Thou, otherwise, when you say this phrase slowly with a low falling tone, it means you are bothered or upset. Now, see this example. Are you going to grocery store today? No, I'm not. But why? Do you want something? Oh, never mind. It's okay. I'll go tomorrow. Now here we have learned 8 phrases on different situations. I hope you have learned all these phrases and you must have liked this session. Next, in the next session, we will learn more phrases. So thanks so much for watching this session.